Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, let me tell you an interesting short story. Few months ago, a small online business owner built a website. The design was perfect, the products were amazing, but there was one problem. Every day, customers visit the website. They had questions like, is this product available? How long will delivery take? Can I get a refund? The owner tried to reply to everyone during the day, during meetings, even late at night. One night at 2 am, a customer sent a message, no reply came. The customer waited, then closed the website and never came back. That single missed message became a lost customer. The next morning, the owner checked the message and realized something important. A business should not sleep. So the owner searched online how to reply to customers automatically. That's when the owner discovered AI chatbots. But most chatbots tools were expensive, limited, or too complicated. Then came a powerful idea. What if I could build my own chatbot? Not just a chatbot that gives fixed answers, but an AI agent that understands question, remembers context, uses tools, and replies like a human. That's when the owner found N8N. Using N8N AI agent, the owner built a chatbot that replies instantly, day or night, answers real questions intelligently, helps customers choose products, and never gets tired. That same website now replies at 2 am, 3 am, even in 5 am. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever missed a message? Lost a lead? Felt tired of answering the same questions again and again and again? If yes, then this video can change the way you work. Today, I am going to show you how to build that exact AI chatbot using an AI agent in N8N. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI agent working for you 24/7. Now firstly, let's quickly understand N8N. N8N is an open source workflow automation tool. It allows different apps and services to talk to each other automatically. And the best part, N8N now supports AI agents, which means we can build smart chatbots that can understand messages, use tools, make decisions, and respond intelligently. Now, what exactly is an AI agent? I have already made 2 videos on AI agent. You can refer to this video, but briefly, an AI agent is not just a chatbot. It can understand user intent, decide what to do next, use tools like databases, APIs or Google Sheets, and then respond like a human. So let's start building. This is the interface of N8N. You have to first click Get Started for free. Here you have to fill all the details one by one and then click Start for 14 days free trial. As I have already logged in, so I am directly going to the interface. This is the interface. Here you have to click Create Workflow. Now here you have to click at first step on chat message. Then close it. See, this is come. Now click on the plus symbol here and add AI agent. Then again close it. Here you can add chat model. Click here and click Google Gemini chat model. Just close it. Just here you have to fill with your credential and here you have to ask for API keys. Now let me show you how to create API keys. To create API keys, first of all you have to go to Google AI Studio. Then here you have to click Create API keys and you can name it. Then select default Gemini project. Then create key. See, our API key is created. Then you have to just copy this key and paste this API key here. Then just click Save. See, connection tested successfully. You can add memory from here. Just add simple memory. Close it. From here you can also add tools. Call N8N workflow tool, code tool. So just test it, go to open chat. Type, hi, how are you? Just see our workflow tested successfully. Let's see what it says. As an AI, I don't have feelings for or personal experience like human. Do so I don't feel in the way you do. However, I am functioning perfectly and ready to assist you. So our chatbot is ready. You can change your workflow name from here. I will change the name to Chatbot. Click on publish. I have already published it. Let's see. Now just double click on this chat message received. Now make this chat publicly available, and you can also change this name. Let's say I have named it Sam. Now just copy this URL. Just paste this copy URL. See, our chat window is ready. It says, "Hi there, my name is Sam. How can I assist you today?" You can test it further. Let's write here, "Can you help me?" See what it says. Its reply, "Yes, I can. Please tell me what you need help with and I will do my best to assist you." So it's working. Now you can use this chatbot for customer support, lead generation, FAQ automation, appointment booking, and internal company tools. And the best part, you can keep improving it, adding more tools and logic. And that's it. You have just learned how to build an AI chatbot using an AI agent in N810 from scratch. This is just the beginning with N810 and AI agent. You can build powerful automation system and that work for you 24/7 hours. So thanks for joining this journey into the world of AI. If you found this video helpful and exciting, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it. See you next time.